Yes, Jurassic Journey!
Look at the dirty old truck.
Oh, look at the dirty old truck. Wow. Come on then.
Now we've got to look for
Now
dinosaurs, Ollie.
See if we can spot a dinosaur.
There's a river.
That's the
And
river.
another river.
And another river.
Alligator leaves in there.
Is there an alligator in there? Well, watch the nettles. Don't sting. They're little stinging nettles, those ones. There. Come on then, Nonny. Let's go see if we can find a dinosaur.
The journey begins this way.
Go that way a minute.
No, it says we've got to go see what that says. We've got to go this way. Oh, we missed one.
Postage. Oh, there, look. There, Ronnie. Do you see it? In the woods.
Look, there it is.
There's dinosaur.
I think that's
Oh, I don't think we can touch that one. It's only pretend, but there's some others we can look at. Gives you an idea on how big they are. Wow, there'll be some more around here we can touch, I think. Let's go that way. I thought she'd be scared, but
Let's go that way.
this is all in the shade. It's nice.
And that way.
Oh, it's cooler in the
Marsh Mouse
shade.
Nature
Let's go
Reserve.
that way.
Ooh.
I think we can go down that way. It doesn't
No,
go
you can't.
anywhere,
That's
eh?
blocked off.
You've got to follow the path. Oh, this is nice and cool. Mm. Welcome to Marsh Mouth Nature Reserve, a natural environment.
Oh, there's one over to the right.
Darling?
You can see one from here. It's a little one.
Hey,
You
you're
can
listening
see.
only talking.
Yeah, what can you see, honey?
Hey, Grandad,
What can you
look.
see?
Look at that one.
What is it? Oh, look!
That one.
Are they little velociraptors?
Look at that one.
Wow!
Look at that
Ah.
one there.
That's an Allosaurus.
Look at that one. It's so big.
Wow, so
There's a little
big.
picture, look, of what we can see.
Allosaurus.
I thought they were going to make noises. I think there might be some that do. Wow, that was amazing.
That one.
Oh, I can hear a noise. I can hear a noise. I can hear a dinosaur noise.
Oh, can you hear that, honey?
Yeah.
Is that a real one?
Please turn me till the message plays.
Maybe have got it.
Please turn me till the message plays.
Dinosaur noises.
Please turn me till the message plays.
Oh, you're going the wrong way. Just follow the arrow. Oh, okay. Not the wrong way.
I can see that.
Yeah, there's some more coming.
Please turn me till the message plays.
We're going in the bird house. Look, this
Please turn me till the message plays.
Oh, honey, look.
Dilophosaurus. Oh, dinosaurs are big, aren't they? Yeah. Dilophosaurus. What's that?
Oh, look, it's there.
Bird. That's a place for looking at the birds.
Ah, you can see down the river.
You can look down the
You
river.
can see it down there. Oh, look at that. You can see all the wildlife.
The kingfishers, it says.
Whoa.
Where is it? Where's the dinosaur?
There isn't one. There isn't a dinosaur out this
None in
side.
that one.
Maybe some little birdies.
The river. Come on, your head.
Come on, let's go find a dinosaur.
Okay, where do we go next?
Around to the left, I think. Oh, I can't go that
I
way.
don't think we're allowed that way. Let's go down this way. Dinosaur noises. Funny dinosaur noises. Oh look, dinosaur footprint.
Oh, it's a
Funny.
dinosaur footprint. That's bigger than Grandad's footprint. Bigger than
Oh.
Ollie's footprint.
Wow.
Wow, wee.
Come on, we want to see more.
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 Swampland.
Oh, look, the swampland.
This is such a good place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's ace. Even though it's busy, it's not so busy that it's too busy.
Yeah. I think actually in the town, in Bourton-on-the-Water,
Yeah, it's
that's where
heaving.
it's really round by the river, everyone's
Yeah.
by the river.
Look, I found one.
You find one, you find one. Look, there's another one, Ollie. Look, to your left. Wow.
Got the Brachiosaurus.
Is it? Oh, Brachiosaurus.
He's big, isn't he? There's another one in the water. What's he called? What's this one called, Grandad?
That's a. I think it's a. It's a. Do you think? I think it's a Duthinkosaurus.
No.
No, it's a Spinosaurus. I watched the program this morning about Spinosaurus. Do you know? I can tell you. Do you want to know a fact without reading it off here, darling?
Yeah.
Do you know the Spinosaurus used to fish, and it's one of the few dinosaurs that's got sensors in its jaw.
Yeah.
It can put its head underwater, and it can detect movements and pressure. So it can put its head in the water,
Look,
and then when a
what's
fish
that
comes
one
past,
called?
it eats it. Oh, there's one over there.
One hiding
Oh,
over
we
there.
saw that one, I
We'll
think.
go round that way in a minute. Keep going this way and then we'll see another one. Just getting into it now.
Yeah.
I can see one.
Wow.
I can see
Where is it? I need another one.
I can see that.
Maybe we've got... Oh, look, there's a little one.
Oh, there's a little one.
I can know that one.
I don't know that's
No.
what that one's
I
called.
don't know what that one's called.
There's no name.
No. I think it's called Bob. Bobosaurus.
I found one.
Found another one.
Another one, oh. There we
It's
go.
so cool.
What colour's that one? Is it blue?
Yeah, blue.
Oh, you're
Ooh.
seeing it and I'm missing it, yeah. He's hiding. He's hiding.
Wow, hiding.
Look at that one. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, Sonny saw that one before. me.
Whoa.
Hey, oh, okay.
Is it flying like a bird?
I can know that one.
Oh, we need to look through here. I think they're flying dinosaurs. Let's have a look. What can you see?
I can.
Wow, is it a Spinosaurus?
Let me see from that one. Wow. It's made up.
Anything?
So,
No.
let
I
me
think they're just sneaky peepholes.
Ah, yeah. What do you see?
see one.
You see one? Is it a Spinosaurus?
Yeah. Let me see this one. No,
No.
this one.
Can you see through that one? Oh, there's nothing through that one.
Maybe
Mhm.
Hiding.
Hiding.
that. Not here.
Nothing.
Nothing there.
Um,
Okay, let's hold your hand. 'cause
Oh,
that one's a bit
is that wobbly?
that
Oh, okay. It's a dinosaur world, and then we'll find some ice cream.
Hey, Honey. Hey, Honey. Whoa.
Don't go in
Say hello. Say hello.
Don't go in the lava.
No. You say, Honey, you say hello to the internet.
Hello.
Hello.
I can sit here on my own.
You can
Wow.
sit on your lunch here, yeah. Let's go and find some more dinosaurs. There must be some more down. Found those ones flying there.
Why?
Oh, they're not pterodactyls, they're the
Pterodons.
pteranodon.
Or pteranodon. Pteranodon.
It's Triceratops.
What's that one?
Please
Which
turn
one?
me till the message
Now.
plays.
Which one now? Which
Oh.
that one?
I think that one making the noise is a Triceratops.
Oh,
sound.
Triceratops, yeah.
So, shall we see what they sound like? The flying ones. There we go.
Oh,
The pteranodon.
This one?
Oh, number 4. Parasaurolophus.
Oh, this one.
This is the Parasaurolophus. Oh, oh.
Which
what
one
about
now?
number 1? Put it on a. What about a
Please turn me till the message
Spinosaurus?
plays.
Spinosaurus. Not working.
No.
Please turn me till
Not
the message
working.
plays.
There we
There
go.
we go.
Oh, they sound scary.
Wow.
That one is this.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
This is that one. Here we go.
Come on, let's go find some more.
Well, what's that one?
Oh, Spinosaurus. From down the corner. Yeah, look, you can see these ones better now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that one.
Blue.
I know him.
No, we don't know what his name is. You can see his name. And another one.
And that one there.
Is that the Stegosaurus?
Yeah, but they're quite small though.
Triceratops.
Triceratops, they're much bigger than that.
Yeah, the Triceratops.
I look at that one back
Look at
there.
that one. And he loves the dinosaurs.
It does, doesn't it?
Triceratops.
I want to go that way.
Okay.
Triceratops.
Is it angel?
Any in there, honey? Little owl. Could be a little owl in there. Probably hiding.
There's a bird on the feed.
Oh, yeah.
The little owls are probably hiding until bedtime when it's dark. Oh, some little birdies.
I just see it there.
We'll see up there.
Yeah.
Put a code down there.
The little owl will be hiding, babe, won't he? You put in your toes.
I put there.
You want to look for that one?
Carrying dinosaur, but it still tries to hide. No.
Go back in the
No.
table, all right?
Mm.
Feel like going missing.
In there. Come on, let's go and find some dinosaurs and some ice
Yeah, here goes to 25,000.
back into the hot. There's a little bug hotel there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Good idea for a bug hotel.
Oh, it's that dinosaur down there, on it. There's Bug Hotel.
Very good bug hotel. We need to build something like that.
Yeah. What, for the caravan? Yeah.
Get lost. That's the way we were, I think. I think we've got to go down here, babe. Through the trees. Mind your head. Oh, you can touch this one, look, Ollie.
I found one.
On the puddle. Don't stand in the puddle because
Oh.
then we're really be in
Oh, look.
trouble.
Hello, dinosaur. Say hello, dinosaur.
There's 2.
Wow, there's another one.
I don't know what their name is.
Hello, dinosaur. Hello.
I want another one.
Oh, I can't go that way. You go this way? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Don't want to get muddy toes today. Oh, my picnic table in the shade there.
Yeah.
Look.
It's the
Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus.
Any more hiding in the trees?
Go this. Which way are you going, honey? Oh, I gotta go this way.
That path looks like it goes
yeah,
back
go that way.
Anyway.
I'll go round.
Okay.
Hello.
Go back that way. Oh look, there's a sign there that says way out. Very hidden sign saying this way.
This way.
Oh look, Honey.
Wow.
Look at that. Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
There's a whole family and that looks like a T-Rex. Is that a T-Rex coming? Oh my
Look at that.
goodness, he looks scary.
Oh, T-Rex looks scary. Oh.
Stegosaurus and T-Rex. Oh.
Wow. Is that a baby one?
Wow, and he's on a tree. Oops.
Hmm.
Don't jump.
Don't hold my hand. Okay. Are you gonna? Where do you want to go? Do you want to go onto that one?
Yeah.
I'll lift you over.
I want to go that way.
Okay, let me lift you. Oh.
Tree.
There we go. Now you've got to make sure you hold my hand.
Oh,
There we go.
What?
Whoopsie, whoopsie. There we go. Right, hold my
Do
hand.
this one now.
look at that. T-Rex is coming to get us.
T-Rex is coming to get us. Ah!
Say no, Grandad, he's plastic.
Plastic. Oh no, T-Rex, he's coming to get us. Ah! Quick, phone Iron Man.
He wants an ice cream,
Oh.
doesn't he?
I need to capture you.
T-Rex wants an ice cream. He's saying, chuck it in my mouth.
No.
What do you think the T-Rex is saying? Do you think, whoopsie?
Yeah.
No.
No, the
Fly on your
T-Rex is saying,
What's that, Mozzie?
T-Rex is saying, hello, look at my shiny teeth. Don't they look nice and white like an Essex man?
No, it's mine.
Right, T-Rex, we saw him, didn't we?
This is mine.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, and he's going to want to do the dial.
Put it on number 3 for the Tyrannosaurus.
Please turn me to the message
and
range.
this one.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. T-Rex.
T-Rex. Shall I find? Where's number 3?
How it works.
Is that on number 6543? Yeah, right. Shall I turn it? Oh, you got to turn it and put it on number 3. So put it on
Working.
4. There's 3. Shall I turn it and give it? I'll give it one go.
Look at some apples growing.
Ready? Right. Let me turn it on. Take your hand off, and I'll do it really fast. Ready?
On this one now.
Oh, that's T-Rex. Number 4.
This one.
Number 4.
I quite like doing them.
Shall I do it up again?
I know, it takes a while. Oh, that's that strange flying one that I can't
Oh
pronounce.
yeah.
Come on,
Let's
Annie, let's
go.
go and find
No, on
ice
this
creams.
one.
Let's go and find ice creams.
Come
I
on.
got that one.
Yeah, well done, Annie.
And there's more dinosaurs.
Where's the dinosaur?
Yay for dinosaurs!
More dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
More dinosaurs. We're going to the tunnel.
Going through the tunnel.
Dinosaur world.
Right, Annie, say bye-bye to the dinosaurs.
Bye bye, darling.
And say bye-bye to the internet.
Bye.
And darling, say bye-bye to the internet.
Bye
See you in a while.
Right, there you go. That's the Jurassic walk thing done, I think. So, yeah. Come to Birdland, Jurassic
I
Walk.
think you can bring dogs.
You can bring dogs. Come here. We'll have a look at the plastic dinosaurs. Have your granddaughter, and it will change your life. See you on the next one. Bye. There we go. Look, this is what the truck's going to look like after a few years of my ownership. Don't think Lano Sil's going to save me with that. I just noticed you got your cheddar gorge cheese company bag on.
Oh yeah.
God, I wish I was being carried. Yeah, we're in no rush, eh?
Get you back in time for some dinner. Past the little birdies.
So we came in over that way.
Ice cream. We're going to get an ice cream. Bring to you, Rory. Oh, there's an owl. A tawny frog mouth.
Oh,
You see him up there? Look, he's sleeping.
hello.
They're all sleeping because it's. Oops, sorry. Mr.
All
Owl.
sleeping because it's too
He
hot.
said, "Ooh, that banging on my cage."
Yeah.
Oh, don't shake it, babe.
Hey?
I said, don't shake the.
No.
Come on in.
It's too hot for the birdies. Come on then.
Burgers can smell burgers.
What's over there then? That must be the petting areas. Oh, look at that.
White birds. What's their names?
The black
Let's have a look. Ooh, they've got some little fish to eat down there. Oh. River.
Look at that.
A pheasant.
There's nothing for that.
No, there's nothing on that one, is
Yeah.
there?
There's nothing.
African spoonbill.
That one.
Sacred ibis.
Not that interested in that one.
No. Oh, look.
Fly. Ooh.
Yeah.
Right up there, look. Look, he's sat right up there. That's the top. He's a spoonbill because his mouth looks like
Oh, yeah.
a spoon.
Doesn't it?
Woo. There's a gate there. We need to go down this way. We must be nearly coming to the end. And I think what time we came into Birdland, but we definitely need a good few hours.
Yeah. Oh,
I don't think he's hurt. I think
no.
he's sunbathing.
No, you're right. No, I'm not. How'd you go, darling?
Yeah.
One more time?
Dinosaur.
No, no, no.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur, I think. Oh gosh.
Look.
Whoa.
Down here.
Oh, you're doing a
Dinosaur.
shape of a dinosaur.
I've seen the dinosaurs. They were really big. Gives you an idea of how big they actually
Yeah.
were, because she probably thinks they're probably
Yeah,
like
but they're much
the size of
smaller
a
than.
dog or something.
Yeah, but they were much smaller than they actually were, though.
Oh, look at
Oh
these.
God, look at them.
They're pelicans.
Why?
Yeah, they are.
Oh,
Oh, it's so hot.
what's over there? Oh, no, that's in it. Nice bench. God, it's warm here. Oh, it's too warm. There's like finches in there, but it's really hot.
Yeah, and he's getting hot. She's
Yeah.
a break in the
them.
shade, I think.
Oh, yeah, pink backed pelicans. Hello. And there's the flamingos over there.
I'm not pelican. No way. I'm here.
Darling. Oh,
You're getting too hot.
Too hot.
Come on then, Ollie.
Oh, look at these noisy little birds.
Oh, little finches, aren't they?
Lovebirds.
Oh, thank you.
It's a lovebird on them. Oh, it's a lovebird. They're called lovebirds. There are lots of them.
Mm.
Can you hear them?
Nice.
Okay, go, Mom. I can see what up there.
What colour are they?
Bye, Mom.
Green. They're green.
Mom.
Aren't they lovely? And they're called
They
lovebirds.
go in that.
Say, Mummy, can we have a lovebird?
You can't have one. You've got to have them in twos, don't you? They live in pairs.
Black-cheeked lovebird from Zambia. They like eating
God, they
seeds.
congregate in flocks of up to 800 or more.
Ooh. Pelicans are doing
Oh.
noisy.
Yeah, I know.
You like lovebirds, Ronnie?
Look, you see them poking their heads out.
Is that where they sleep?
That's where they sleep. They poke their heads out and they go, hello.
Morning.
Morning.
So we need an ice cream to cool us down, Ronnie.
Yeah. They're going.
That's their little beds, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
the little holes, that's where they sleep at night. And during the day.
Got her in the
And then
shade.
they poke.
They're eating food.
And they got food. They like lots of seeds.
They do.
Ronnie likes seeds.
And they poke their heads out and they go, hello.
Look, she's up there.
Can you see them poking their heads
there?
out?
Yeah.
Hmm. Do you like lovebirds, Honey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like lovebirds, Mrs. V?
Yeah, they're very sweet.
Lovely.
People love them because they're lovebirds.
Oh, that's my house.
Oi,
Is
that's
it? Oh,
my
that's
house.
my house. Oh, God, they're being noisy.
And the pelicans being noisy.
Yeah, aren't they?
And he's tired from the heat.
Come on, then.
There's not a lot of opportunity to get shade.
No.
Let's have a quick look round here and try and keep you out there.
Doing really well if it was a 3-year-old.
Grey, Western grey plantain eater.
Oh,
And the black.
plantain, that's like banana, that's like a savoury banana, isn't it? See the hornbills.
Hornbill. That's some heat, isn't it? Oh, I wish There he is, he's hiding,
So,
isn't he?
yeah,
They're hiding from the hot sun. Can you see it down there? Look,
they're hiding in the
Black.
shade.
black
God,
and red.
they're
red
huge.
face.
Hello.
He's not moving.
No, they need more
Lying
shade
too
in
hot,
there, I think.
Right on me. Got some different kinds of ducks in here.
Yeah.
Oh, they're a nice colour. Ooh,
I'm so sorry.
you're too hot, I know, darling. Let's try and get you.
If you walk on it, you'll be
That's a
cooler.
good point. Where's your drink?
Yeah, walking, you'll be cooler.
Yeah.
Let's go in the shade on it and then we'll get a drink. Mhm. God, this is really hot.
Really hot today, isn't it? Like mother bird, nana bird, shielding her from the sun. Here's me walking along. Good job, Bonnie.
I'm not hot.
You're not hot.
No.
That's it. You keep holding that and drinking that.
Mhm.
We're going to find some shade in a minute.
Yeah.
Shade by the river. We could get some shade by the river in a minute.
Yeah. There's a few benches outside.
Just because it's getting a bit warm. Just go and you can get your feet in the river.
Oh, there's a nice guinea fowl.
Yeah.
Guinea fowl.
Oh,
Thought
look.
they were. Look, Ollie. Don't
Hello.
put your fingers in though, because he might eat you. Just look at him. Don't put your fingers.
They've got
in.
they got like Elvis quiffs.
Guinea fowl. Called a
Oh.
guinea fowl.
Thank you very much.
He's digging in the stones.
When they stand up, they actually wiggle their legs and then they sing "One for the Money." Can you see the fish? They got bowls of fish.
Oh, fish to eat. Fish.
You want Mummy to take that? Thank you very much, darling.
Come on then.
Sometimes we can get the English weather right, and sometimes it's...
Yeah.
Oh, we're on a little bridge now.
Ah, see, we're heading back, I think.
On the bridge.
There's the river.
That's the little water zone.
That's why
Yeah.
you wondered which way to go, because you eventually do it all in a big circle.
Yeah. All the birds is just like too hot.
Yeah.
They're not moving or doing anything because it's like baking.
Well, that's just a dead end.
Yeah.
So I think we're literally on the return now.
We are.
We're going to go and find you an ice cream in the village.
Oh, look.
Lovely river over the bridge, darling. Oh, I'll find some shade, darling. You're feeling well. I'm going to find you a special ice cream. Some more juice. Do you want a wee Ronnie?
So you smell the penguins. They smell really fishy. What can you see? Wow. Hey, honey.
Look at the water.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you can't climb up that one.
I can't reach.
Jump down. You can go up the stairs.
There's that little parrot again.
Did you go up those stairs over there?
Oh, we have to jump down and go
Yeah,
up
you
the
jump
steps.
down
We're
and
going to
then
go
go
and
up the
find
steps.
an ice cream now. Honey, we're going to go and get an ice cream. Some more drink.
Oh look, I didn't realise. Oh, you got glass, but it's not very clear. Oh,
Are they? Okay now. Popping on the juice, Ollie. We're going to go past the loos. You want a wee wee? Ollie, want a wee wee before we go?
oh, it's that smell. Oh,
Oh, it says on the pass exit.
oh yeah,
So it's definitely a good day out. You could-
yeah,
It's been really hot, but
Yeah.
you could make a day of a proper
yeah,
full day of it. But we've done quite a quick little
yeah.
trip because it's been way too hot for
God, the fish, that smell. Keep on getting it, it goes right up the
Yeah.
nose.
Bye-bye,
It
Booties.
smells like pilchards,
I don't know, it just smells like really fishy.
off pilchards. Like chewed pilchards.
Yeah. Oh, here's a bit of shade.
There we go, back in the shade.
We're going to go in the village or town,
Yeah, I think it's town.
find an ice cream for Ronnie. She's
Yeah, let's go and find an ice cream, Honey. Do you want to find the biggest ice cream of the land or the smallest ice cream in Bourton-on-the-Water? Do you want a big ice cream, Honey, or a little ice cream? Big ice cream.
find
Okay.
an Ronnie sized one.
An Honey-sized ice cream.
Oh, we've got to put our masks on to go back, in,
Oh, dear.
back through the shop.
So on that note, Honey, say bye-bye to the internet again.
Bye.
Bye, Nanny, say
bye.
bye-bye to the internet.
Bye.
Right, again, come to Bourton-on-the-Water. Come to Bird World, Birdland. Is it called Bird World?
Land.
Birdland. Come to Birdland. And it'll change your life. See you another time. Bye. There we go. So we've just done Birdland. We made it through the gift shop without being
Yeah,
fleeced.
there's not a lot in the gift
No.
shop.
Hey, what's that, Annie?
Bye bye dinosaur.
So bye-bye Birdland.
Bye
So, yeah.
Birdland.
So we're just gonna mooch down now.
Really, but worth a visit.
Bye-bye
worth a visit.
Birdland. So we're just gonna mooch down into Bourton-on-the-Water. Might go and have a paddle. Who knows? There's something on there, lens there. But it's so busy. We'll see you in a sec. Bye.